Okay, so this is part 2 of pages 4 and 5 for tonight's homework, January 25th, 2017. I'm going to do these two problems, A2 and A3, so that means B1, B2, and B3 will be yours for homework, in addition to the previous page, which was page 4. Okay, so here we go. In the last video I did A1, so I'm going to help you out with A2. Remember, there's two things that you need to do here. Find the unit rate, and then apply the unit rate to the other amount of item or money, whichever the question asks. So for example, if 15 basketballs weigh 75 ounces, how many basketballs will weigh 15 ounces? First, what are the two things that we're comparing? You have basketballs to ounces. Okay, so if 15 baseballs weigh 75 ounces, how many baseballs would weigh 15 ounces? Well, the first thing you want to do is get the unit rate, okay, before you can apply the 15 ounces. So now that you know that 15 baseballs weigh 75 ounces, how many ounces would one baseball weigh? Okay, so we're going to cross multiply divide. So basically you have 75 divided by 15, give us 5. Where was okay, so doing that would give us 5. Okay, so one ball would be 5 ounces. All right, but remember it's asking us how many baseballs would weigh 15 ounces. So we're going to take our one ball, 5 ounces, and figure out how many balls would weigh 15 ounces. Cross multiply divide. 1 times 15 is 15, right? And then your 15 divided by 5, of course you have 3. X equals 3 ounces. All right, so for the next one, so as you can see, this is how we're doing. You have to set up the unit price, and I prefer for you to do it in proportional reasoning to show your work. And once you figure out the unit price, you can apply the next increment of whatever item or object that is asking you to. So first, let's find the unit price of whatever it is that we're measuring here. John played soccer for 60 minutes over 5 days. At this rate, how many minutes would John play soccer for in 1 week? Okay, so for this one, let's see, we have soccer for 60 minutes. So let's do minutes. That's an M standing for minutes, and 5 days. 60 minutes. I'm going to put D for days. 5 days. So we're going to figure out the unit rate of how many minutes for 1 day. So one day. We're going to go in that one. And for how many minutes per day. So cross multiply divide. And end up with your 60 divided by 5. You have 12. So X here equals 12. Now that we know this, we can apply the next increment. How many minutes would John play soccer for in 1 week? All right. So here's the thing. You know minutes, days. Okay? So 12 minutes is for 1 day. Okay? 1 week is 7 days. And how many minutes would he play? 12. That 7 goes here, excuse me. Sorry. 12 minutes for 1 day. How many minutes for a week? Now you can cross multiply divide. So 12 times 7, of course, divided by 1, you would get 84. There it is. So how many minutes for a week? That would be 84 minutes. Okay, so I want you to give a shot for B1, B2, and B3 for your homework, and we'll review it on Thursday. If I don't see you on Thursday, we'll review it on Friday. Please remember, you still have homework for the rest of the week. And if you're not sure what that homework is, there's that again. Remember, tonight's homework, Wednesday, page 4 and 5, what I just reviewed. Thursday night will be page 3, just questions A1 and A3 only. And page 2, Friday night, no homework. see you next time.